Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the euro currency. So you can see that impact of the Donald Trump speech probably will have a bit longer lasting action. As you can see that euro currency still is dropping. So from the technical point of view, this moment is decisive for short-term perspective, because as you know, this was really big attention to this consolidation in the market. We're standing for 5 sessions or even longer. 6 sessions in a row, this market stands inside of the high waves pattern, and the fact that the breakout is taking the place, it means that market has made the decision. So decision is made, and in the short-term perspective, maybe till the end of the week, today, tomorrow, but this downward action has all chances to continue. Yesterday, gross domestic product release on the euro currency in the European Union hasn't brought any surprises, so it was according to expectation. This was the minimal contraction of the economy, and the more noise has come from the inflation data in United Kingdom, although I did not see a really big reaction from the Great British Pound on this event. But anyway, this data has shown greater inflation compared to expectation. So there are a few moments that we will keep an eye on euro currency in the nearest time. So first of all, on the daily chart, market right now stands at the major 50% support. It's 1137. This is favorite level for euro currency, so the 50% levels. It's most common happens on the euro. And take a look, market comes close to MACD predictor line. So here we could watch for possible bullish grabbers, if any will be formed. Also, we should recall the Brent body setup on the dollar index. And as you can see, market is coming to the minimal target of this setup. Recall what we talked about it. We said this minor setup, but it fits to all necessary conditions. Number of candles is sufficient. Market has reached the major support with the 2 close below the 3x3. Yes, it looks a bit not as beautiful and nice, but as John Napoli tells, it shouldn't be to fill your pockets with the profit. So pattern should not look nice to make you happy. And indeed, as you can see, this setup is working, and market is coming to the 618 resistance, which is a minimal target of the Brent body setup. Which is mean that in euro currency we also could see probably some downward continuation. Also, guys, I would like to show you another chart that has indirect relation to the euro. I am speaking on the gold market, but not in the United States dollar, but in the euro. And take a look what picture we have. This is monthly chart. We have perfect ABCD pattern, and the OP target, which stands approximately the 14 even, hasn't been reached. What does it mean? It means that either gold should rise more and euro should stand flat, or gold could stand in the consolidation but euro should fall to complete this final destination point. Also take a look that this target stands very close to the previous top here, and it could mean that maybe some breakout, stop hunting, stop grabbing action, Russian greens or something of that sort could happen. It also could follow due to the volatility on the euro. So the picture on the gold market to euro brings no positivity to our expectation on the euro currency. So this makes us worry about the perspective of the euro in the nearest time. So that's what we see on the daily. We will keep an eye on the possible grabbers, but taking into consideration all this stuff, it seems that not really big chance that something will be formed. On the intraday charts, I wouldn't hurry with taking the long position in the euro currency by far. First, because our flag pattern has been broken. So you can see market stands stable below its lows. It's not some kind of the Russian instant fast return, but it's drop and standing there. Here market even has retested this lower border and now is turning down again. That is, by the way, the OP target of this ABC top D pattern. With this with this ABCD pattern, we also see that the CD leg is accelerating, which is not good for the bulls. And take a look in general, a recent sell-off was really straight, so you can see this drop, flat action, no deep retracement. So with the 3, 4, 5 sessions stands flat, again collapse, and now market again stands flat. Very small retracements are forming here. This is bearish sign, and I wouldn't be surprised if market will drop right back to the XLP target, which stands for approximately around 110.88. So it will be 111 area, but this is minimal perspective, so just very short-term perspective. Currently, I'm not ready to talk about the longer-term perspective of what we will have, because we need to take a look on the larger picture, what is going on in the monthly chart, on the weekly, and so on. But in general, technical background currently is not very good. Theoretically, it is possible that market could form this ABCD right to the XOP, and that will be regardless cheaper to buy, and maybe some other action will follow here. Maybe particularly by this moment, gold will hit 14 even, and something will happen. It starts retracement, and euro also starts to rise. This is possible, but until this moment, here in the current moment, chances, by my personal views, chances on the downward action here looks preferable, because all this stuff with this flag, bearish breakout with the high wave pattern on the daily, well, that is not very friendly to the bullish setup and mostly suggests the downward action. On the hourly chart, guys, we do not have something really special. The triangle also has been broken down. With our godless triple 2 that was looking not bad actually yesterday, well, as you can see, it has hit just minor target. So 30% retracement of this leg has been hit, minimal target, and from that standpoint, actually this pattern has not failed because it has hit minor target. But that was the just limit of this situation, and market just dropped lower. So that being said, on euro, I suppose that today, tomorrow, it's better to sit on the hands and wait what will happen, because chances on the reaching of the XOP target looks not really bad. So it really could happen. Once it will be hit, we will keep an eye on the gold market in euro and see if it will hit 14 even as well. And euro will start to form some bullish signs. Maybe godless triple to buy also will be formed. Dollar index probably will hit the target of this bread and butter. Well, situation could change, so we will see. Maybe some informational background also will appear in this moment. But currently, it seems that 111, 110.88 probably will be reached very soon.